So go to this particular domain, marketingkit.withgoogle.com, and then you search for your company name. So basically then you can use all of this information, marketing related information they provide. Now one thing that I like to do is to use the reviews. So that is in this particular area. So usually I like to change the style of the review to be more basic. So here first I can select select a specific review that I want to use. So let's go with this. Then I click on next. Now for the style, so you could select whatever style you want, but I like to go with this Google style because it makes it look more like a Google review. So now we have the review here. You could right click on this and then click on Save As, and then let's name this with the company name, review, and then you save it. So then you have the image, and then you can basically upload that particular image and then use it as a post in the Google My Business page.